Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sulisa Yunisa Amanah. I am 6th semester of English Literature student UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. So, today I would like to present my research entitled Conversational Implicature as Emotional Communication in Brian Krishna's novel Seporsi Mie Ayam Sebelum Mati. Pragmatics is a branch of linguistics that studies meaning in context. One important concept in pragmatics is conversational implicature, introduced by Grice's in 1975, which refers to meanings that are implied rather than explicitly stated. In literary works, characters often communicate emotion indirectly through metaphors, ambiguity, silence, or incomplete response. However, most previous studies only classify implicatures according to Grice's maxim and rarely examine their emotional function. Therefore, this study investigates conversational implicature as a form of emotional communication. The previous studies mainly focus on identifying types of implicature and maxim violation in films or everyday conversation. In contrast, this study explores how implicatures function as emotional communication strategies in literary discourse. Therefore, the novelty of this research lies in connecting conversational implicature with emotional expression and psychological vulnerability. This study combined Grice's theory of conversational implicatures with theories of emotional communication and literary pragmatics. The framework assumes that violation or flouting of conversational maxims generate implicatures, which then function as indirect emotional expression. This research employed a descriptive qualitative method. The primary data source was Brian Krishna's novel Seporsi Mie Ayam Sebelum Mati, published in 2022. A total of 11 conversational implicatures related to emotional communication were identified and analyzed. The analysis used Grice's cooperative and principal theories of emotional communication. The findings show that all four conversational maxims appeared in the novel. The maxim of quantity and quality were the most frequent, followed by relation and manner. This indicates that the protagonist tends to communicate emotion through indirectness, incomplete information, and metaphorical expression rather than direct statement. One example appears to when Ale says, I will go back home, to a distant place. Rather than explicitly mentioning this, Ale uses ambiguous language to conceal his emotional condition. This utterance violates the maxim of manner and function as indirect emotional communication. Study that conversational implicatures perform several emotion functions. Characters use indirect language to conceal sadness, avoid conflict, hide traumatic experience, express loneliness, seek emotional understanding, and maintain an emotional distance. Therefore, implicature function not only as a linguistic phenomenon but also as psychological coping strategy. This study contributes to literary pragmatics by demonstrating that conversational implicature can function as emotional communication. It also contributes to discuss about mental health discourse and indirect emotional expression in contemporary. In conclusion, conversational implicatures in the novel are generated through violation of all four Grecian maxim. The study demonstrates that implicature function not only as a linguistic strategy but also as a psychological mechanism through which characters manage emotional vulnerability and distress. Ultimately, emotion is in literary discourse are often communicated more powerfully through what remains unsaid than through what is explicitly spoke. Uh, maybe maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.